everyone. Today I will explain cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. Statement of cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. This is a statement. Statement must be learned of all theorem. And this theorem is very important for all board. CBSE board, state board, UP board, for all board. This theorem is very important. Theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. First, what is cyclic quadrilateral? A quadrilateral whose all vertices lie on a circle. Okay, this is cyclic quadrilateral. Naming A, B, C, D, whose all vertices lie on a circle, means this is cyclic quadrilateral. Means this is given. A quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic, and opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Opposite angles means angle A opposite angle C. Angle A plus angle C are supplementary. Complementary means 90, supplementary means 180. And angle B opposite angle D. Angle B plus angle D is equal to 180. Means to prove this. Okay, given ABCD quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic, and to prove this, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. In this theorem we use inscribed angle theorem. इस थ्योरम में हमें इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल थ्योरम का यूज करना है. देन हमको फर्स्ट वी विल नो व्हाट इज इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल. इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल क्या है? व्हाट इज इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल मीन्स, फर्स्ट हम डिफाइन करेंगे इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल. एंगल द वर्टेक्स डी ऑफ एंगल ए डी सी लाई ऑन सर्कल. द आर्म ऑफ एंगल ए डी सी intersect the circle at A and C. Means कि एंगल ADC इंस्क्राइब्ड एंगल है. कैसे? D इसका वर्टेक्स जो है वो सर्कल पे लाई कर रहा है, एंड देयर आर्म्स AC इसके आर्म्स जो है इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं सर्कल पर. किस पॉइंट पे? A and C. AD and BC, टू आर्म्स lie on circle intersect at A and C. Okay. This is inscribed angle. Angle ADC is inscribed angle. Now, what is intercepted arc? अभी क्या क्लियर हुआ? Inscribed angle. Inscribed angle theorem. इन inscribed angle theorem का यूज करना है. फर्स्ट inscribed angle. What is inscribed angle? क्लियर हो गया. Next, intercepted arc. What is intercepted arc? Arc of circle. Arc of circle. This. Arc of circle that lies in the interior of angle ADC. Interior and ADC की interior arc ABC. This is intercepted arc. Interior angle D के interior arc this ABC. इसके interior arc this है. Okay. Any angle make कर रहे हैं this. Means इसका interior arc this. Okay, means angle D interior arc this part, front part is part. Okay, दोनों आर्म्स के ज्वाइंट जो हो रहे हैं आर्क, दिस आर्क इज इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क. ज्वाइंट ऑफ जो आर्म्स है उसको ज्वाइंट है जो आर्क्स, दिस आर्क इज इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क. ओके, intercepted arc means arc of circle that lies in the interior of angle ADC. This is intercepted arc. Clear? Now given quadrilateral ABCD is cyclic, and to prove angle B plus angle D is equal to 180, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. And next, proof. We'll write proof. Start proof. Figure this figure and prove. Right. एंगल ADC is an inscribed angle. भी क्लियर हो गया कि दिस इज inscribed angle, and ABC this is intercepted arc. Write this. what angle A D C is an inscribed angle. Okay, this is inscribed angle. And next, its intercepted arc. It intercepted arc ABC. It intercepts arc ABC. Now, use inscribed angle theorem. Inscribed angle theorem, the measure of inscribed angle is equal. The measure of inscribed angle is equal to the half of arc intercept by it. Means inscribed angle is equal to measure of intercepted arc. Now, angle ADC, angle ADC equal to half of measure of both measure M. Measure of angle, inscribed angle is equal to half of measure of intercepted arc, arc ABC, ABC, equation first. Similarly D अपोजिट क्या है B, मीन्स कि हमें क्या प्रूव करना है, एंगल D एंगल B इज इक्वल टू 180. 1 टाइम्स इंस्क्राइब एंगल D चूज किए ADC, नेक्स्ट टाइम ABC. सिमिलरली एंगल ABC is an inscribed angle. Inscribed angle. And their intercepted arc. What is intercepted arc of angle ABC? Angle ABC interior arc ADC. It intercepts arc ADC. Okay, therefore apply inscribed angle theorem. And inscribed angle, measure of inscribed angle ABC choose किए is equal to half of intercepted arc. Measure of intercepted arc ADC. Now this is equation second. Any doubt? First, second. Why we will choose D and B angle? Because opposite angle, हमें opposite angle का sum proof में क्या लाना है? D and B opposite angle. If you will choose A, then their opposite angle C. अगर हम proof करना है inscribed angle BAD, then D one time BAD and other time BCD. Okay, but D and B we will choose D1 for first time D and other time B. Now adding first and second equation. Adding equation first and equation second. Left side and right side. Measure of angle ADC plus measures of angle ABC equal to half of measures of arc ABC plus half of measures of arc ADC. this at one side and this at one side. Left side addition and right side addition. Now measurement of angle ADC, measurement of angle ABC equal to half of measurement of arc ABC, measurement of arc ADC. ABC this and measurement of arc ADC half common, their measurement of arc ABC plus measurement of arc ADC. Now ABC arc and ADC arc क्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूट कर रहा है? कंप्लीट सर्कल. 360 टोटल मेजरमेंट मीन्स वन कंप्लीट सर्कल 360. ओके 360 measurement of arc ABC and measurement of arc ADC constitute a complete circle. Okay, reason. Complete circle means 360. Complete circle means 360. Okay. Now 2 cancel. 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. 0 means 180. Measurement of arc angle ADC plus measures of angle ABC equal to 180. Similarly, hence angle D plus angle B is equal to 180. Hence proved. First condition, similarly we prove. Similarly, we can prove angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. First condition, second condition, both proof means hence proved. Okay, very simple. Theorem of cyclic quadrilateral. Next.